What's up, guys? This is Richard again for this edition of Learning with Rich. It's been a long time since I created my last video. So in this exercise that I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to create a U-shape and monolithic stairs. Okay, so in this exercise, I'm going to create a U-shape stairs in a structural model and monolithic stairs at the exterior of the building. So as you can see on my 3D view, alright, so this is where I'm going to place my stair, okay, my U-shaped stair, and then I'm going to create here my monolithic stair. Alright, so let's get started. So going back to my first floor stair plan, so I'm going to create my U-shaped stair here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go select the architecture tab, and I select here the stair by sketch. This is a very quick exercise, so hopefully you'll learn something from this. So stair by sketch, okay, and then after that, so I'm gonna select this type of stair, and I'm gonna start from here. Okay, so I pick here, okay, until I created 12 risers. So as you can see, there's the 12 risers created, 12 remaining. So I'm going to pick here. Okay, and then I'm going to pick on the opposite side here. I'm going to pick, and I'm going to use up all the risers. So the total risers created are 24 risers. Alright, so I'm going to pick here to end up. There you go. And then after that, I'm going to select the check here to finish my stair. There you go. Okay, so modify. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the stair here, and then I'm going to use the new feature in 2016. There's a selection box, so I'm going to select this. Alright, there you go. So there's the stair that I just created. Okay, let me just adjust the section box. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this. You see this frame here? I'm going to move this to the somewhere here to this side because it's actually overlapping this stair. Okay, so going back to my plan view, so maybe I'll open my second floor. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in here. Okay, I'm gonna select this beam, that frame, and then I'm going to move that to the right side. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click this, and then I change the distance to 750. There you go. Alright, so if I click again the stair and then select the selection box, there you go. So it's now moved to the left side, so it's not overlapping the stair anymore. Alright, so going back to my second floor, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add another beam here. So from the structure, I select here the beam, and then I'm gonna select 310 by 38.7 wide flange. I'm gonna go ahead and select this, and then I'm gonna pick this one, gonna pick this two. There you go, and then I select modify. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna change here the detail level because it's showing my beam or my framing as a single line. Okay, so I'm gonna change the detail level to fine. There you go. All right. And then after that, I go ahead and select the beam and then change some properties here of that beam. So I'm gonna change, let's say, the uh, Z offset value. I'm gonna change this to -125. Okay, so apply. There you go. So again, I'm gonna select the stair here. I select the selection box. Okay, so I'll just adjust first the section box here. Okay, so there's now the beam that I just created. Alright, so I'm gonna select this. So you will notice After I select this one, I'm going to show you what's the effect of the Z offset value. So before it's 0, so it's like this, right? So it's overlapping my floor here. That's why I have changed that to minus 125. There you go. And then going back to the second floor, I'm going to move, or I'm going to align this, modify, align. Okay, I'm gonna align it here, this one. Okay, there you go. So again, I select the stair, I select the selection box, so I can see how it looks like. There you go. Okay, so this is the beam or the frame that I just created. Now what I'm going to do next is, after I created this U-shaped stair, so I'm going to create now my monolithic concrete stairs. So I'm going to zoom out. Let me just open the first floor concrete stair. Okay, so this is the view. So from the architecture, I'm gonna select here again the stair by sketch. Okay, and then this time from the type here, I'm going to select the monolithic stair. Okay, and then for the top level, I also want my top level to be at the first floor. But the base offset, oh, let me just cancel this first. The base offset, I'm gonna change this first to minus 800, and then that's the time I change this to first floor. Okay. Top offset, okay, so it's 0. Width, so I'm gonna change the width also, 1800. Okay, and then I'm going to sketch now my stair. So I'm gonna pick here, and then I'm going to pick here. Desired number of risers are 5. Okay, I'm 6, 5, 6. Okay, so finish edit mode. There you go. So in 3D view, it looks like this. Let me just turn off the section box. There you go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third number of risers 5. All right. So that's how you create your U-shaped stair and your monolithic concrete stair. So just like what I've said, this exercise is a very short one, and hopefully you learned something from this video. So if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You can also download the exercise file. I have put the link on the description below of this video. So once again, this is Rich from Learning with Rich. You all stay beautiful and handsome. Bye.